Hi, this is Mark Laughlin speaking for the Ambidextrous Gunfighter. Out here today to did a little test with the new Federal Punch 22 long rifle ammo. It's a 29 grain bullet, and it's nickel coated or nickel plated from end to end. Basically, the lead projectile is nickel plated, as is the case. So those are kind of nice features. And it's traveling, because it's a lightweight bullet, 29 grains, it's traveling at, they claim 1,050 feet per second out of a 2-inch barrel. So here I am with the, out here with the P17, the Kel-Tec P17, which has a, depending on how you measure, it's called a 4-inch barrel, but since if you measure actually from just the rifling part of it, it's probably about just a little over a 3-inch barrel. So I was kind of had some pretty good hopes with it to do well out of the P17, but I had several problems with it. And for premium ammo, I expect no problems, zero issues. I had started off with a failure to eject, and you know, okay, so you can say maybe that's the problem with the pistol, but I have no problems with the CCI Mini Mag. And then I had a particular one round that would not ignite, so a failure to fire, and I put it in multiple times, rotating it around so every part of the rim could get hit, and no matter where I put it, I think I hit it like 5 times with the firing pin, circling all the way around that the rim fire part of the primer pocket, and didn't get ignition on any of them. So probably no primer stuff in there. So that's kind of, for a premium ammo, I mean, this was like $10 a box of 50 for 22 long rifle. That's, and it says right on here, premium. Just not acceptable. I mean, just to make sure, I got out, I had a box of CCI Mini Mag, which I've had proven to be 100% reliable in both of my Kel-Tec P17s, and just to make sure, because you know, maybe my firing pin had gotten worn down and was not doing as good as before, but I had no problems whatsoever with the CCI Mini Mag. So anyway, it was an interesting idea, 1,050 feet per second out of a short barrel, and that puts it at about, I think about 1,600 feet per second out of a, you know, say a 24-inch barrel, so probably 1,500, 15 plus out of a, say, a 20-inch barrel. And so at least for my Kel-Tec P17, to me, it's a no-go. I'll take this out and try it in my Tikka T1X and just see, you know, how it does accuracy-wise. But with such a lightweight bullet, I'm thinking for out of distance, it's going to be it's going to float around quite a bit. So anyway, high velocity, small bullet, lightweight bullet at a high velocity. Interesting idea. I think I'm going to stick with my CCI Mini Mag. It's Mark Laughlin speaking for the Ambidextrous Gunfighter. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.